set up your AMCs on ADDA, find the AMC submodule under Vendor Master on the ERP portal and click on Create Contract. Here you can enter necessary details that are required in your AMC. Select the concerned vendor who is in charge of the AMC. The vendors displayed here can be set up from the Vendor Master module. Select the assets that are associated with the AMC. The assets shown here can be set up from the Assets and Inventory module. You can also set up important dates like contract start and end dates, as well as payment schedules, so that you can make your AMC related payments on time. You can also set up service schedules so that you can get your assets serviced on time. You can also attach any necessary documents related to your AMC contract. Go to the calendar to get an eagle eye view of all important dates in the selected calendar year. Our system sends you reminder emails in the event your contract expires, as well as emails to remind you of your payment and service dues.